Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the network and devices. Plug the Hue bridge into power and your router via Ethernet, then wait for the 3 lights to stabilize. On your iPhone or iPad, make sure Wi-Fi is active and you're on the same too. 4 GHz network the bridge uses because Apple Home and the bridge must share a network to pair. Once done, unlock the Home app and stay on the main room's view so you can add an accessory immediately. You now add the bridge inside Home. Tap the plus, select Add Accessory, and point your camera at the HomeKit QR on the bridge or manually type the 8-digit setup code printed on the device. The Home app verifies the bridge on the network. This exchange creates a secure pairing key so Apple can control your Hue lights. Make choices for name and room so Siri and automations reference them logically. If you have multiple hubs, pick the one intended for that room. Finish by verifying each Hue light shows in the Home app and responds to taps and to Siri voice commands. This confirms that service discovery and permissions completed. Once verified, create scenes or automations. These run locally when Home Hub is available, and via iCloud for remote control. If pairing doesn't finish, restart the bridge and router, make sure your iOS device is off cellular and on the same Wi-Fi, then retry the add.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.